Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about interesting features which is available in ChatGPT 4. Here, there are a lot of things upgraded with ChatGPT 4. There could be a different add-ons which you can use it, like Del E or several other add-ons. If you want to explore ChatGPT 4, just click on Explore GPT-4. Whichever options or third-party integrations are available, you can just click and add it into your bucket. I'll show you how Dell E is working under ChatGPT 4. Here, let's consider you you want to build some images, some interesting images for your projects. You don't have to worry about it. You have to just go to the ChatGPT 4 and search for your particular needs. Let's consider you wanted to generate the images where kids are playing. Here, I will just write it down, generate the images of playing kids. It will take few seconds to generate these images for you. And here, this image will be massively generated, so you don't have to worry about it. ChatGPT 4 is having well integrated with other third-party plugins. By using that, you can make your life easier. Let's consider you want to take out these images. So it's very quick. It's very simple at all. Here, you have to just open this, and from here, you can download it. And wherever you want, you can save it. These are the images which I have already generated. I will show you few more examples. Don't worry about it. Please be available from start to end of this video, where you will learn several other interesting facts related to ChatGPT 4. Now, this is the image which is generated with Dell E. Let's consider you wanted to generate the Gen AI based images. So here, give me same images in robotic. It will again analyze the results, and based on that will give you image, will generate the images for you. And this is the very high quality images which you can use it for your kids assignments or your for project purpose. And if you are building some websites, you can also use these images for your website as well. So it's very quick enough, wherever you want we can use it. Now you can see these are the robots playing images which you can generate it very quickly, and even that can be stored as a license policy of this. If you have the optimum premium versions, I mean if you have opted the premium version of this, you can use it as per your copyrights contain, because you have already paid for it. If you have already paid for this, then it will be a completely your content. Here we'll also get some content which you can select it. Let's consider you wanted to select this area. Now, if you want, you can edit this selections. Now, based on the selections, the area which I have selected is generating the image with real user or real kids available within it. That's the type of features ChatGPT 4 is providing, where we can generate interactive images, and based on that generated image, even we can ask for the edit, or we can ask for some modifications. It will take again few seconds, and based on that, it will generate the images for you. Now say this. Here it's added few more modifications. And because this content may violate the usage policy, that's the reason it's not generating much other things, but at least we got some differences, right? As per the previous one, this was the robot playing, but we got some differences there. So that's how we can generate it and save it for our usage purpose. If you want to add few more prompts, you can also copy this prompt and share in some other places. If you want to just cancel it, it will be cancelled. Now, here we also have some other images. Let me go to the Dell E. Let me refresh. Now, here, if you want, you can even use these chats and generate the images. So these are the suggestions pointer which is given for you, where you can generate the images based on the suggestions. Now you can see here we got some other Dutch angle images which is generated here. Again, you can see the quality of image. It's very high definitions image generated, which you can utilize it for your projects or wherever you want. Now here you can set the aspect ratios. Let's consider you want to generate these images at wide aspect ratios. Again, we'll send the prompt to the ChatGPT Del E and it will generate the image for us. Now, see this. We got the wide aspect ratios image and we can download it very quickly. In ChatGPT 4, you can also get ChatGPT 4.0, ChatGPT 4. So this is the newest and most advanced model which I am using. Whenever you want to start your journey or start your research with ChatGPT 4.0, you can use it because it will give you a high-end context for you, which will be utilized for any purpose. Let's consider you're building some presentations for the client. You can use it. Let's consider you want to generate the estimations reports for any projects. Just add your input here and based on that, it will generate an image for you. Here, let's consider I wanted to generate image for my project estimations. Here, I will just give some outlines related to my projects and based on that, it will generate estimations. Let's consider I am working on project estimation of development project where 3 developers are involved and 1 BA as well as 1 tester. Kindly provide me estimation for 2 months. It will give you assumptions work per month 20 days, work hours per day 8 hours, and total work hour in month is this. Now this is generating in text format because of the ChatGPT format. I want this image to be generated into the tabular format as a part of image. So here I will read or stop this above data in table as an image. So it will analyze the data which is added on top and based on that, it will generate the image for me. Let's see how it comes up. Here you can see this image is generated. The language is not too good like role, estimates, task, tools, hours, and all. Rest is ROI, ROE, developers is 2. Again, it's almost same type of image generated, but because this is the AI, it was unable to try to find it out the exactly same content what it was trying to convey. But if you will calculate almost similar type of image generated for us, which is more helpful for us or which saves our time, definitely I won't be able to use it for my project, but at least I got an idea how we can get this, which I can build it for myself. So this is how we can use ChatGPT Del E for generation of the images, and we can have lot more features. So in coming videos, I will definitely come up with the several other contents related with this. Till that time, thank you for watching. If you like the content, if you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Feel free to add your suggestions, feedback in the comment section so that we'll try to improve and come up with new set of the video. If you have any topic in your mind which you wanted to learn from us, feel free to add topic name in comment sections. I will be happy to add it in my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.